Hello students, I am your Z sir, welcoming you in new part of the chapter number 13, standard 7 max. Today we are going to start our new exercise. So before starting that exercise, we will understand some formulas that will be used in this exercise. So which are that formula, how we will use that formula, and what we have to considerate in that formula. So let's start. The first formula is first one, that is a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n. Clear? Now here a is our base, raised to m, this is our exponent, or you can say power. So a is nothing but the non-zero number. Any a is equal to any non-zero number. Clear? Where is m and n? M and n are whole number. What? Whole number. You know very well what is whole number. Now, coming on these formulas, the first formula is, first of all we will understand this formula, then after we will take one example for this more understanding. Now here is base a raised to m, here is also base a raised to n. The power of both are different. Clear? And between these there is a multiplication sign. So what become? It become base same, so we will write only one base a. Okay. Now raised to m, raised to m. Okay. Now here is a multiplication sign. Clear? So what become? It become plus sign on the power, and n will be in the addition with m. So this is your formula when your base are same. When your base are same and there is a multiplication signature separating these both number, then it become a raised to m plus n. The power of both the base will be added when the multiplication signature are there. Clear? Coming on second formula. Now here in second formula, what we are seeing that both the base are same, a, but the power of both the base are different. Here is m power, here is n power, and the number is separated by the symbol, that is division symbol. Clear? So as I told you that base are same, I will write only one base a raised to m. Now for these there is a division sign, so I will make a minus in the power and minus n. So this is my formula for division for the same base number. This is my same base. Okay, so I will make it a raised to m minus n. I will minus the power. Clear? Now the third formula, a raised to m whole raised to n. This is my first term inside the bracket, and the whole bracket is powered with n. Clear? So it become a raised to m whole n. So it become a means a, and a m multiplied by n, because there is nothing between this. So it is, you can call as a multiplication. So m multiply by n. I will denote it by dot, or else I will write directly mn. You can denote as your wish. Write m and n. Both will be multiplied. We will also take some examples also to give you some more information and better understanding. Now formula number 4. Here, see, both the base are different. Initially, both the base are same. Compare with first. This fourth one compare with first. Both the base in first are same. But whereas in fourth question, base are different. But in fourth question, power is same. See, power is same. But whereas in question number 1, the power is different. Now what we will do here? We will do like this. See, if my base is same, I will write this m raised to m plus n. But if my base are different, so what I will do? I will do like this. But here is a multiplication signature. I will multiply both a into b. What? I will multiply both these, and here both are same, so I will make like this. क्लियर हुआ? दोनों सेम है इसलिए एक ही लगा दो. जैसे कि यहाँ पे दोनों सेम थे तो एक ही लिख दिया नीचे पावर. यहाँ पे यहाँ पे बेस सेम था तो एक ही बेस लिख दिया. यहाँ पे पावर सेम है, एक ही पावर लिख दो. दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई कर लो, a into b raised to m. So here are the 4 formulas that will be used in the exercise 13.2 that you have to remember. Clear? Now how we will use this formula, I also explained this, and what come after derivation of this formula, I also explain this also. Now take some examples, so that will clear more to you. So here I am taking the examples, okay? You have to write in your textbook also before starting this exercise. So first question for first formula, okay? So I will take any number that will be 2. A is my 2 and m will be any number that is I am taking 3. Yes, 3. Clear? Multiplication and a. Here a is my 2. I will also here take a is 2 only. Here is n. So n will be different. So n I am taking 2 raised to 2. Clear? This is my question. Now I have to simplify it in the exponential form, in this form. Okay? So it equal to, what is the form? See here. A means 2. Here is a 2 in place of a. I will write 2. And here m plus n means 3 plus 2. This is m is my 3 and n is equal to 2. So it become 3 plus 2. Clear? So it give me answer 2 means 2 and 3 plus 2 that means 5. So 2 raised to 5 is my answer. Clear? Now coming on the second formula example. The second formula is 2 raised to m divided by, a raised to m divided by a raised to n. Clear? Now I am taking the number which I take in question number 1 only. So here is a multiplication signature. In question number 2 it become divide signature. I am taking this example only. Clear? Now see how it become exponential form. This is my same question. See, a raised to m minus n. A means 2. Clear? M minus n, that means here m is equal to 3, n is equal to 2 and a is equal to 2. Clear? M minus n, 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2, that means 2 raised to 1. 2 raised to 1. Clear? So 2 raised to 1 is your answer. You can also write that is equal to 2. Both are same. 2 raised to 1 or 2. It's depend upon you. So, have you understand? Coming on number 3. Number 3 will be written with new chalk for you. So a raised to m whole multiplied by n. the power will be n. So a is my 2. I will write here for you. A is our 2, m is our 3, and n is also our 2. I am taking this example for every question, okay? But in exercise there will be different number for different question. For your explanation I am taking this. So a is our 2, okay? Now m, so m is my 3. I will write here 3 bracket raised to n, that means 2. This is our formula. See, both become same. Now what I had done, a means 2 raised to m multiplied by n means 3 multiplied by 2. So it becomes 3 multiplied by 2. So it becomes 3 2 ja 6. So 2 raised to 6 is your answer. Clear? Coming on number 4. What is the number 4? A raised to m multiplied by b raised to m. So here we have to take another number, that is b. Here we had not used n. Okay, so for this question 4 explanation I will take another number. Clear? So a means 2 raised to m is our 3, multiply and taking b as a number 3. So b is equal to, I am taking here b is equal to 3. So b become my 3 raised to m. M means 3. Clear? Now solve this in this form. A multiplied by b means this is my a, this is my b. So 2 multiplied by 3. 2 multiplied by 3. Okay, whole raised to m. So whole raised to m. M, what is my m? M is my 3. Both the power are same. So I will write here 3. Clear? Now 3 2 ja 6. 6 means 6 and the power is our 3. So this is my answer, simplest answer in the exponential form. So students, I had explained you this formula and derive this formula in the simplest form, and also take the example for the good explanation of this formula. So write down before starting this exercise from the board. Students, we will take the exercise number 13.2 from the next video. Okay, before that understand and take your own example for practice. If you take much more example, write down, solve it and send it to me. Okay, I will recheck you. Take your own example, and in next video 13.2 exercise will be started. Till then, I am your Z sir. Stump this lecture here only. Okay, goodbye and bye bye.